Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. If you tried with the gold, today's video is going to be the completely game changer for you. We are not just trying these lines on the charts. Today we are decoding the real macroeconomics reason for driving the gold next moves. So first of all, we will discuss the fundamentals powers and what are the fundamentals news which directly impact on the gold market. So first, fundamental news is the central bank buying. So first we see that what is the central bank buying for this week and what is the reason behind the central bank buying. This is the real smart money. Macro players and the central banks are aggressive accumulating the physical gold because they have considered it a safe and the dollar in long term. This is the massive demand has created a rock and the solid structure for the floor price. So this is the central bank buying reasons, and the second reason is the geopolitical tensions. This is the main reason on gold, which directly impact on the gold. So we will discuss that geopolitical stability always trigger the safe haven the demand. Whenever there are uncertainty in the market, an investor very first instant into the rush toward the gold. So when the geopolitical tensions are increases, then the gold will move in the upside direction. So this is the geopolitical tensions which is directly impact on the gold market. So now we will discuss on our third fundamental, the interest rate cut the expectations. So this is also a main and the fully movable fundamentals. When the interest rate drops, the return on the bond and cash decrease. This is the completely eliminates the opportunity cost on the hold and non-yielding asset like the gold, causing the investor to rapidly move their capital into the precious metal. So this is the main reason which directly impact on the gold and which makes the gold too volatile. And I'm expecting that gold is move in a bullish directions. So now we will discuss the factor of the analyzing. So these are the fundamentals which we discuss. And what are the technicals? These are the technicals: weekly high, weekly low, and support, and this is the resistance, and this is the buy side liquidity. So this liquidity will always decide the gold final target. So I'm expecting that gold will move in a upside direction, then it's moved to a short retracement to fill this buying side liquidity, and then it moved to the upside direction, and there it gave a short retracement in a downside, and then it's moved to our final target, which is the 4800. So hope you all are understand about the fundamentals. So I'm expecting that the bullish from the liquidity zone. This is the good area for the buying. If you are trading for a long term or short term, this area will consider will for the buying. If you buy from these areas, the gold will retail your SL, and then it's move in a short retracement to fill this liquidity. So you should have to wait for this levels, and when market moves in a buy side liquidity, you should have to execute your trade with the fully confirmations of the candles, then you can execute your trades. So you should have to wait for this buy side liquidity, and then you have to execute your trades. If you want to get the daily market updates and want a live trade about the market, so you should have to join the Telegram community, and you will get a daily one or two daily setups which are based on the live market. So you should have to join the Telegram community for more. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can ask in Telegram community.